Everybody, stand up and shake out, shake out, shake out. Now, are you all ready? Super. Hello everyone, I'm Hugh and welcome to today's children's folk song series. Today we're going to be singing about a brave hero. This brave hero wasn't a typical comic book hero saving the day from a villain, but a talented musician who managed to keep the Irish musical tradition alive. This song was made famous by Irish composer Sean O'Riordan, who reminded everyone in Ireland how amazing Irish music is. For that, he is the hero we will be singing about today. Once we learn it, we're going to sing it in different styles like pop, rock, and hip-hop music. But first, let's learn the chorus together. It goes something like this. She Mo Ghille Méar, she Mo Ghille Méar, ni Boris Bain in Suna Shane, oh again Mo Ghille Méar. Super! So let's learn to sing it and then we will figure out what it means. Hit the music. I'll sing first, then you try. 3, 4. She Mo Ghille Méar, your turn. Well done. She Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. One more time. She Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. Next line. She Mo Ghille Méar, your turn. Well done. She Mo Ghille Méar. One more time. She Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. Ni Boris Bain in Suna Shane. Ni Boris Bain in Suna Shane. One more time. Ni Boris Bain in Suna Shane. Well done. Oh, again, Mo Ghille Méar. Oh, again, Mo Ghille Méar. Oh, again, Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. Now, let's find out what it means. She Mo Ghille means he is my hero. Mo Ghille Méar, my brave darling. So She Mo Ghille Méar, he is my hero, my brave darling. On line 2, Hazer means Caesar. So She Mo Ghille Méar, he is my Caesar, my brave darling. On line 3, Ni Oris Fain, I have not received. Soon, sleep, Shane, fortune. Ni Oris Fain ein soon na Shane. I have not received any sleep nor fortune. And the last line, O huig again, who went far away. So O huig again, Mo Ghille Méar, who went far away, my brave darling. Now that we have learned what we are singing about, let's try putting them all together. I'll sing first, then you repeat after me. 3, 4. She Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. She Mo Ghille Méar. Ni Oris Bain ein Suna Shane. Oh, huig again, Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. Now let's sing the full chorus together with actions. So just copy what actions I do. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. She Mo Ghille Méar, she Mo Ghille Méar, ni Boris Bain ein Suna Shane, oh huig again, Mo Ghille Méar. Well done. Let's try and do it one more time. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. She Mo Ghille Méar, she Mo Ghille Méar, ni Boris Bain ein Suna Shane, oh huig again, Mo Ghille Méar. Well done everybody. Now we sing the chorus before and after every verse. So let's move on to verse 1. In verse 1 we sing about fighting for freedom. I'll sing one line and you repeat after me. And don't forget the actions. Here we go. In this land unfree, oh, who will feign to unchain me? My children keyed in vain for thee, to break my chains for liberty. Super. Now let's sing the full verse 1 with the actions. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this land unfree, oh, who will feign to unchain me? My children keyed in vain for thee, to break my chains for liberty. Well done, we'll try it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this land unfree, oh, who will feign to unchain me? My children keyed in vain for thee, to break my chains for liberty. Now let's go back to the chorus and sing in the style of trap music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shame alech Mo Ghille Méar, shame o haze or Ghille Méar. Ni voris feigning son a shame, oh huig Mo Ghille Méar. Well done, that's super, guys. In verse 2, we sing about fighting the Saxons. I'll sing one line and you repeat after me. And don't forget the actions. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mountains high and valleys low. The cuckoo sings of Saxon foe. 'Tis you must strike the mortal blow. Mo Ghille Méar mo vocal bio. Well done! Now let's sing verse 2 together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mountains high and valleys low. The cuckoo sings of Saxon foe. 'Tis you must strike the mortal blow. Mo Ghille Méar mo vocal bio. And now back to the chorus with the actions in the style of pop music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shame alech Mo Ghille Méar, shame o haze or Ghille Méar. Ni voris feigning son a shame, oh huig Mo Ghille Méar. Well done, guys. In verse 3, we sing about the beauty of freedom. Repeat after me and don't forget to do the actions. Here we go. So come my love, to battle come, to this fair land so weary snug. Well done! Let harp and song the valleys hum, and sound the sound of freedom's drum. Well done! And back to the chorus in the style of Irish traditional music. Here we go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Shame alech Mo Ghille Méar, shame o haze or Ghille Méar. Ni voris feigning son a shame, oh huig Mo Ghille Méar. Simply amazing, everyone. Well done. Now, stop the music. Now, everyone, we're going to sing the full thing in one go. We're going to start with the chorus, then we're going to sing verse 1, then we're going to sing the chorus, then verse 2, then we're going to go back to the chorus and sing verse 3. What are we going to sing next? I can't hear you. Very good. We're going to finish off by singing the chorus. But you have to watch out because I'm going to change the style each time we go back to the chorus. Are you ready to sing one of Ireland's most famous songs about our brave hero, our brave darling? Super, let's shake out. You ready? Shake out at your right arm and your left arm. Jump up and down. Warm up your knees and your back and those hips. Good stuff. Shake your face. Super! So let's start off with the chorus in the style of trap music. You ready? Here we go. And don't forget the actions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shame alech Mo Ghille Méar, shame o haze or Ghille Méar. Ni voris feigning son a shame, oh huig Mo Ghille Méar. In this land unfree, oh who will feign to unchain me? My children keyed in vain for thee, to break the chains for liberty. Now to the chorus in the style of rock music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shame alech Mo Ghille Méar, shame o haze or Ghille Méar. Ni voris feigning son a shame, oh huig Mo Ghille Méar. Mountains high and valleys low, the cuckoo sings of Saxon foe. 'Tis you must strike the mortal blow, Mo Ghille Méar mo vocal bio. And to the chorus in the style of pop music. Here we go. 3, 4. Shame alech Mo Ghille Méar, shame o haze or Ghille Méar. Ni voris feigning son a shame, oh huig Mo Ghille Méar. So come my love, to battle come, to this fair land so weary snug. Let harp and song sound of valley song, and sound, the sound of freedom's drum. And to the chorus in Irish traditional music, here we go! Shame Mo Ghille Méar, Shame O'Hays or Ghille Méar, Ní Bóris Féin Súna Shame, oh again Mo Ghille Méar. And back to the chorus one last time, in the style of disco. Here we go, you ready? 3, 4. Shame Mo Ghille Méar, Shame O'Hays or Ghille Méar, Ní Bóris Féin Súna Shame, oh again Mo Ghille Méar. Woo! Well done everybody, that was super. Give yourselves a round of applause. If you want to learn more songs, check out our YouTube at the Irish Institute of Music and Song. Keep up the singing, you're doing absolutely amazing guys. Well done. See you next time. Bye.